Are you threatening to arrest me?
We will put you on trespass now.
Okay, I'll take that in writing.
Give him his papers so that he can go ahead and do his FOIA request.
No, I want a trespass in writing so I can take it to my attorney.
Well, do you want to do your FOIA request or
Yeah.
not?
But if you're going to back up that trespass, I want it in writing.
Through your path. This is city property, buddy.
You cannot do that. You cannot, do not touch me. Do not touch me. I would be filing a complaint against you, Rodriguez 33.
Thank you.
Do not.
Have a good
Do
day.
not put your hand in my face.
Thank you.
Don't put your hand in your face. I can walk this way if I want to.
I thought you told me you charged me with trespassing.
That's under the trespasser property
Okay,
act, sir.
perfect.
All right. I thought you said you were aware of the law.
Yeah, I am. I
Maybe
am.
You should go do some.
And what's prohibited? What are the prohibited things?
This is not arguing, sir. Freedom of speech. Do you know what freedom of speech is? I've been waiting for this moment. Do you know?
Okay. Go ahead and tell me.
Do you know?
Go ahead and tell me what.
I don't have to educate you when you know your laws.
Come over here.
I don't want to come over here. I don't.
A citizen
I don't.
walks into the public lobby of the Department of Mental Health, requesting public records, only to be threatened with removal and even arrest just for filming. Why are those sworn to serve the public ignoring the Constitution? Is this law or abuse of power? What will you think when you see this?
Well, I'm not going to be recording any patients. So
This is a private facility with a private...
this is a public...
No. Okay,
This is
I'm
public,
a FOIA
ma'am.
officer. This is not a public forum. This is a waiting room.
This absolutely is a public
This is a
forum.
waiting room where people
There's a
receive
sign out there that says
confidential
open to the public.
services in a confidential building.
Okay, past
This is not
that
a public
door
forum.
may be private,
No,
but
this
right
is a
here.
waiting area for
Right.
confidential services. People who are
If you
waiting for
have confidential
services.
information, you need to take them back to a private
Go ahead
area.
and find out how they want you to proceed. Okay.
I'm not breaking the law.
It is unlawful.
Okay, what law is that?
This is South Carolina Code of Laws, Section 441175.
And what does that have to do with patient privacy?
No, it does not.
Okay, what does that
Title
have?
44 is a code of laws that has to do with health.
Okay.
Okay.
What is?
It is unlawful for a person without legal cause or good excuse to enter the premises of a state mental health facility after having been warned by the director or in his absence, their representative, that's me, him, her. It is unlawful for a person without good legal cause or excuse to fail or refuse to immediately leave the premises of a state mental health facility on being ordered or requested to leave by the director or in his absence.
Is the director here?
representative. No, he is not.
Okay.
I'm the representative. He is a representative. He is a representative, and Sheila is a representative. Okay?
Well,
Title
you can
16
just,
does not apply here. Actually, if you read Title 16, it says it does not supersede other titles in the code. 44, right here in writing,
Okay.
says that we have the right to ask you to leave in your trust.
But you have to have a reason to ask me to leave.
You have no legal business here. What's
I
your
absolutely
business
do.
here?
I'm a
What is
journalist
it?
gathering content for a story.
Oh, great. What's your outlet?
I have a news channel.
It's called...
You don't know the law. You don't know your own policy.
I have my law here.
Okay,
It's
tell me
right
what law I'm
here.
breaking. Are you an attorney?
I've asked you to leave,
Okay,
and you're
what
not
law am I
leaving.
breaking?
She's already read it to you. We have the
No.
copy here. We
What
have
law
five.
am I breaking? He's
Title
law enforcement.
44,
At this point, you've been
Section
asked to leave the premises.
For
because
what
you have
reason?
No lawful,
What
We
reason?
don't need a reason. You have no lawful business. At this point, we're asking you to leave. Are you
Okay.
refusing to comply with the directive?
If you're asking me to leave, I'm going to decline.
All right, sir, we are telling you.
If you threaten me with arrest, I will leave because I don't want to get arrested. But I'm a journalist gathering content for a story. If you're telling me a law that I'm breaking, I will leave under threat of arrest.
Okay, that's 4410 or 4411-70.
Okay,
and
what?
code
How am I breaking that law?
4411-75. Because we have asked you to leave.
You can't just ask anybody to leave a public lobby.
Sir,
Title
you're required to have business before the.
4411-75.
I have business.
It is unlawful for a person without good legal cause, which we have established.
I have legal
to do
cause. Are you
What
familiar
is
with the
it?
First Amendment?
What is your
I am
legal,
familiar.
Freedom of
what's
the
your legal
press,
cause?
freedom of speech.
Yes, sir.
What's your legal cause to be in the
I just told you.
And sir, are you familiar with
What's
forum
your legal
doctrine?
cause?
I am.
Right.
A little bit.
All right, so you're familiar with public forums,
This, right?
limited public forums, designated public forums.
Okay.
All right. Which of these do you think this is?
I believe this is a limited public forum.
Right, and what does the term limited mean in that?
It means it's subject to time, place, and manner.
Yes, sir. And so one of the time, place, and manner restrictions here is that
Yes.
you have to have business before the department.
And I have business. The
Right.
First Amendment is my business.
Sir, that is not sufficient business.
It's the First Amendment. How did you not learn that in law school?
This is a waiting room for confidential people to receive confidential
Well,
services.
I'm not here recording any patients.
HIPAA requires us to ensure the privacy of people who are in this
Okay,
building.
The
And to
privacy
that end,
has
we have
nothing to do
create
with public
policy.
servants.
No.
Y'all don't have
The
privacy.
The privacy laws require
for
us
patients.
to create policies
For patients.
to protect patient client.
Are there
and
any
client
patients in here?
confidentiality. Am I a patient of the Department of Mental Health?
Yeah.
No.
Okay,
I'm
thank
a
you.
patient of a private provider.
Is there any
And if
patients
you were
in
my
here?
private provider's office, I would ask you to leave.
Exactly. If I walk past there in
I
a
cannot confirm or
non-public
deny
forum,
anyone is or is not a patient. And
You
that
have
is
no
why I'm
authority out
asking you to
here.
leave. Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I'm actually the privacy officer
Okay.
too. If you're not here to file a Freedom of Information Act request, and
I
I'm
am.
also the media contact.
I am here.
Tell me your outlet, and I will help
I don't
you.
have to tell you my outlet.
Then how can I help you?
I can tell you my email
Okay,
address.
what would you like your Freedom of Information request
I
to
want to
be?
know how many patients y'all are.
Okay, that needs to be in writing.
Okay,
According
I'll
to
write-
the law,
you got a
if you're
piece of
going to
paper?
come in and you're going to do something in person, it needs to be from where very specific.
I'll take a piece of paper and write it out.
You don't have a piece of paper of your own?
No, I
But you
didn't.
came in to file a FOIA request?
Correct.
A written one?
Correct.
But you didn't
You need
bring
to brush
paper.
up on FOIA. Sir, can I get your name?
Officer Daly,
Thank you, Officer Daly. Do you have a badge number?
T13.
Okay. I appreciate y'all's demeanor. I'm not breaking any law. If y'all want to threaten me with arrest, I will gladly leave. But these two people don't know what they're talking about. And sadly, he's an attorney.
Yes,
You're not familiar with the First Amendment?
I'm very familiar with
Okay, well then what part of the First Amendment do you not understand? Freedom of the press.
Yes, sir. I understand that. There are laws in place though that govern the premises of
Exactly, to protect patients.
We have our own section in
Well, sir,
Title
that's not what it
44.
says.
They're not here to protect you.
No, it's Title
Okay.
44 of the South Carolina Code of Laws.
Okay,
That's
what does
your
that have
health
to do with
facility.
me gathering content for a story?
It means you don't have a right to be here if you don't have business with
I
the
have
department.
business.
Okay, sir, now you violating trespass orders, so now you asking you to leave. Or we're
Okay.
going to put you on trespass notice.
Okay, are you threatening to arrest me?
We will put you on trespass notice.
Okay, I'll take that in writing.
Give him his paper so that he can go ahead and do his FOIA request.
No, I want a trespass in writing so I can take it to my attorney.
Well, do you want to do your FOIA request or
Yeah.
not?
But if you're going to back up that trespass, I want it in writing.
Well, sir, what's your name?
Well, you're going to get that in writing.
Okay, great.
Sir, what's
Your
your name?
FOIA. You'll get your request in writing.
Okay.
We please ask you again to respect the privacy of the people in this building and go outside.
The privacy has nothing to do with employees. Correct me if I'm wrong, counselor.
Employees would have a certain rights to privacy as well.
Not out here.
Does not matter.
I
Not
understand
out
that.
here.
But the point though is we have an obligation to protect the rights of patients who come
Right.
here.
I'm not going to record any patients.
Well, you have no way of knowing that.
You don't know if you
Anybody
have
that
one.
walks
Well,
in here
if you
could
have
be
a badge on, I'm going to assume you're not a patient.
That's not a fair assumption either.
So who's running the asylum here?
Excuse me?
If you're claiming you're a patient and you have
No,
privacy,
I
okay,
am
that's
saying
ridiculous.
That you can't assume someone with an ID on is not a patient.
So the patients work here, or do they get
There are
services
people
here?
There are
who
peer support
there are peer
specialists
support
who
specialists who
work
are
in the department.
patients
Okay,
who
well,
provide
if you point them out,
services to
I promise
others.
you I will not
Sir, we
record
cannot
them.
do that.
Point
That would
them
be a
out.
violation.
Okay, well then I don't care if they're patients or not. I'm only recording public servants
so
like
you
yourself.
don't care if somebody's a patient.
That is
has a
your
right to
duty
privacy.
to protect their
Exactly,
privacy.
and
The
that's why
onus
we're
is on
asking
you.
to leave.
No, you can't violate the First Amendment to protect patient privacy.
Sir, that is a reasonable time, place, and manner restriction.
Okay, well at 5 o'clock you can kick me out of here.
Well, no, sir. The onus is on you to challenge that. We can enforce
I'm
that.
challenging it right now.
Okay.
You cannot violate my rights as a journalist to protect patient privacy.
If you'd like to go out a door, you can do that too. Okay? No worries. You're very welcome.
Public
People
meetings
who
are
wait
separate.
in this lobby are
You
waiting
need
for
to listen to your
confidential
counselor here.
services.
Public meetings are separate from FOIA, okay?
Of course
You're
they
trying to
are,
claim a
but
lot of
we're
stuff
subject
here.
to both as
Right.
a public agency, to the Freedom of
You're-
Information Act request and to HIPAA and privacy. law.
Right, the HIPAA is your responsibility.
Exactly, which is
Okay,
why
but-
I'm asking you to leave. We have a
No,
policy
you
in
can't
place.
violate the First Amendment for
We have a policy
HIPAA.
in place in accordance with federal and state law that we have to have a policy that we do not allow recording. And you're
Well,
violating
is
that
that
policy.
a law or a policy?
That is a policy we're required
Okay.
to have by law.
Okay, well, I'm going to decline your
State and
policy.
federal law.
Okay,
Okay, and that's
all right. Learn the law.
both they're
Learn the law,
all
really.
right here. And if I thought
Okay,
you'd
that's
read
for
them,
patient
if I-
privacy.
No, it's not. I think you're wasting taxpayer time.
You're
under the
wasting
guise
taxpayer
of the
dollars out
First
here trying to
Amendment.
kick a journalist out of a public
you're
lobby.
wasting taxpayer dollars. I have so many things.
Well, then go
I
back
need
to
be
work. You're
doing.
dismissed.
I cannot do that.
Why
because
can't you do
my
that?
job is to protect patient privacy.
Okay, How are you
That's part
protecting
of my
patient
job.
privacy out here?
Because you're recording
You.
in a mental health facility.
Right, I'm
By
recording public
law,
servants. You don't have
don't
privacy.
know who you're
Can you talk to her? Can you give her some First Amendment case law?
I have. I developed that.
Okay,
Listen, we've done this
Sir,
so
we've already
many
established
times.
you have a very limited understanding of foreign policy.
I don't have a law degree. Okay, full disclosure.
So here's an attorney for the Department of Mental Health trying to inform you on,
Okay.
on the limits of a limited public forum.
Okay, or
You've already
time, place, and
acknowledged
manner.
Time, place, and manner
Okay,
restrictions. right?
it's business hours. I'm in a place that I can be, and I'm doing it in a manner that's not disruptive. That's time, place, and manner.
You're disrupting me from doing my work.
You're disrupting me. I'm trying to gather content for a story.
From your outlet that you won't name with your name.
I
that
don't
you
have
will
to
not
name my
provide.
outlet.
But you're a
Yeah.
member of the press.
Correct. Correct.
You value your privacy, but you don't value the privacy of people.
I don't
who are in
value
here
your
for medical
privacy.
care.
You work for us.
That's fine.
You're a public servant. You work for us. If you want privacy,
It's
go
like
back to your
playing
office.
chess with a pigeon.
It's all good. What was your name?
Okay, it's good citizen.
Your legal name? Good citizen?
Well, I don't have
You
to
wanted
provide
a copy
that.
of your
Just you no trespass notice.
Okay.
Put you on no trespass. You can't trespass here. You trespass again, you will be arrested.
Okay.
So I need your first.
Okay,
last name.
is that a crime? What I'm trying to
Trespassing
say.
is in fact a crime, yes.
Okay, it is?
This is under Title
Really?
44,
Tell
not
us about
Title
that.
16.
I have no obligation to inform you about anything. We are asking you to leave, sir.
Trespassing is a tort. Look it up, counselor. Can I get your name, sir?
Do you want to talk to Beth about going ahead?
As you know, without being suspected of a crime, I don't have to give my ID. So trespassing is a tort. Okay. Criminal trespassing is a crime, but we're not at criminal trespassing. This is trespassing. Can I get your name, sir? Can I get your name?
I'm Corporal Glenn.
Nice to meet you, Corporal.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
What's your name?
Right now it's good citizen.
Good citizen? Mm-hmm. Okay. To meet you.
Nice to meet you. So this lawyer thinks that trespassing is a crime, but I'm gonna tell you, trespassing is not a crime in South Carolina. Criminal trespass is a crime, okay? But in
The Department of Mental Health may employ law enforcement officers as may be necessary to maintain the security of state mental health facilities. The law enforcement officers must be vested with all the powers and charged with all the duties of police officers generally. They may, without warrant, arrest persons guilty of disorderly conduct or of trespass on state mental health facilities and may have them tried in any court of competent jurisdiction. That's South Carolina Code of Laws 44-11-70. This is a mental health facility. You're trespassing. You can be arrested.
in a public lobby.
Yes, you are.
Yes.
You've been notified that you need to leave.
Multiple
Okay.
times, which we have on
Okay.
tape.
Do you have the authority?
Yes, I do.
Are you the director?
I am not, but I am
Okay,
the designee.
then
of the
have you read
director.
the
According
law?
to the law, the director's representative can
Okay.
interview.
And we
We are
both-
both
The director needs to be out here.
representatives.
The
No, sir,
director
that's
needs
not-
to be out here.
Do you understand what
Director's
representative means?
representative. They are also
At this point,
the
you are causing a scene in the office here.
I know y'all are
We've been-
causing the scene
No,
because
sir. We've
I didn't.
asked
All
you
I
to
came in
leave.
here to do was gather content for a story
And
to-
what's your story? I'm the
on
public
how
information
y'all
person.
don't know the law.
Excuse me. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Can you please leave for us?
If you're asking, I'm going to decline. But if you're going to threaten me with arrest, I will leave.
Okay.
Are you threatening me with arrest?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to file a complaint on you.
Okay.
And can I get your name one more time?
Officer Fleming,
Okay. And what's going to happen if I don't leave?
Tango 14.
What's going to happen if I don't leave?
We're gonna put you on no trespass notice.
Okay. And then what's going to happen if I don't
And
leave?
if you trespass again, you will be arrested.
Okay.
We're not going to continue to keep engaging.
Okay.
We've asked you several times.
Are you threatening to arrest me too?
Not threatening to arrest you at all.
Okay.
But
Am I trespassed?
we're not going to continue to have a conversation.
I don't want a conversation. I just want to complete my FOIA and be out of here.
You gonna give them the information to submit?
So
the
here's a
request?
piece of paper. Please fill out in writing your FOIA request. We're gonna have to ask you to stop recording
Okay.
and to exit the building. After
Okay. You don't have the authority.
Well, yes, sir.
Okay. Y'all have the authority, but I'm telling you, if y'all do, y'all are messing up.
Sir.
Why don't we go outside and go ahead and write that for you so I can
I'm
get
gonna
it
write it right
processed
here.
for you.
I'm gonna write it right here. Is it okay if I write it right here?
If you could please report away from the lobby.
This is a public lobby, ma'am.
State
Policy is not law.
And I know that we have to protect patient information and patient.
There's no
privacy.
patients out here.
And that is more important to me.
If that was important to you, you would take your patients back to a private area.
Yeah.
Just let them finish.
Whether a camera's out here or not, no patient should be given out
Hey, sir,
private
please
information.
put your FOIA request.
What's the address here? Do you have a business card?
Yes, sir.
Can I have it?
They can leave through the other doors if they're more comfortable leaving through the other doors.
If there's patients leaving, I'll turn the camera away, but if they're public servants, they have no right to privacy.
Because that violates HIPAA. Do you not understand?
Okay, well, HIPAA is your responsibility.
Exactly.
Okay, you can't violate a journalist's right to gather content. How do you not know that? What's the address here?
You don't need to put the address on there. Just
Okay.
put the date and a way that we can contact you.
And what's the date? Seven?
Today's the 6th of
6.
July.
I could have wrote it better, but
Let me make sure I can read it.
thank you.
You need to put a way I can get in contact with you.
Oh,
I
my
can't
bad.
provide
My bad.
materials if you don't understand.
You're right. There's my email address.
Let me make sure I can read it before you go. We the people for freedom now at gmail.com.
Correct.
How many patients are being treated at the administrative office?
Right.
All right. We should be able to get a receipt to you by the end of the day,
Okay.
before 5 o'clock. Of course, you understand there are 10 business days to get your determination.
I'm aware of that.
I assumed you would be.
But I just want you to be aware that there's no
completed
law
your
saying I
business,
cannot be
correct?
in here.
But you've completed your official business with the department. I've got your FOIA. I'm a FOIA officer. I'm going to handle it before I leave today, even if I have to stay late. So
Okay.
could you please leave now?
All right. So am I being threatened with arrest?
Sir, you handle all your business that you set out to handle.
Well,
yourself.
I mean, I can handle my business until 5 o'clock. I'm a journalist.
Yes is the answer to that question, sir.
Okay.
Please leave, or we will have to arrest you.
You don't have the authority to tell me to leave. So I'm trying to tell you. These guys have the authority.
I
You
don't think you have a badge
Okay.
for the law.
I don't see a badge. So,
Correct.
am I correct? Okay.
you're
There's no
not.
badge on you either, ma'am. You can
No,
go back.
my badge is right
Okay,
here.
you can go back to your office.
And I
Done
told
arguing
you.
with you.
I don't want to argue. I didn't come in here to argue. I came in here to gather
We
content
have
for a
so
story.
much work to do when we're
Well, then go
arguing
back to your
after work.
office.
I cannot do
I
that.
can be here until 5 o'clock.
You cannot.
Yes, I can.
Under Title 44, a
trespassing.
mental health facility is a private
Come on now.
facility.
Don't ruin your career, bro. Don't ruin your career. For these guys, they don't know what they're talking about. I'm telling you. You're law enforcement. You can't kick a journalist out of a public lobby, okay?
There are law enforcement who have to abide by SCDMH
They follow the
policies.
law. If I break the law, absolutely.
They're SCDMH employees as well. They follow
They're law
SCDMH
enforcement.
policies that do not allow recording on our facility.
Okay, that's not a law. They're law enforcement, okay?
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, well then you can stay out here till 5 o'clock then.
That's fine. I told you I will stay as long as needed to get your FOIA request processed.
Okay, well you got 10 days, so I'm not expecting that.
No, I like to handle my receipts the day I receive
Okay,
them.
well,
It's very
You can go
important.
back to your
that they be
office and
handled
do that.
properly. I'm not going to do that until this is
Okay.
resolved. Our employees are having to leave through a different exit because you're here causing a disturbance. And I think you
employees
know
have
that.
there's no reasonable expectation of
know
privacy
that.
in public. Counselor, can you advise her that doctrine? Especially public servants have no...
Potentially patients are
Okay,
having to
if there are
leave through
patients,
another
if I see
exit
anybody without a
because you are
badge, I'll turn the
here.
camera away. Because I respect, I mean, that's just common sense. If you go to a hospital for treatment, you expect your privacy to be protected.
That's
So it's the medical
same
staff.
in a mental health facility as well.
Yeah, but the
And
medical
this is a
staff,
mental health facility.
the onus is on them to protect
We're
privacy.
trying to do that by
No,
asking
you're
you to
not.
leave.
You're trying to violate my rights as a journalist.
Do you think you need somebody to come give you services?
No, I want you to
Because you
leave me
seem
alone
very
and let me
unhappy
gather
and
my
very
content.
upset. And you're causing a disturbance. This is a mental health facility. Do you need us to call
Not
someone
for the
to
people
come
that work
and
here.
provide you services?
Okay, there's a difference between patients and public servants.
I'm
Okay?
asking if you feel like you need someone to talk to right now. Okay? Do
No,
we
I don't
need
wanna
call
talk.
someone to come.
I don't wanna talk to you.
Are you sure?
Is that an employee?
I don't know. I don't see the
Okay.
person.
Well, I respect patients' privacy. You know, I respect people that want to come in
You
here
may
for get
have already
services.
recorded a patient and you wouldn't
No, I
stop.
haven't. No,
you
I haven't.
don't know that.
I do know that.
How?
Because I've only recorded people that work here.
And I've told you that there are patients who work here, haven't I?
So who's running the asylum? How do
I don't
patients
even know
work
what
here?
kind of
You
question
can't
that
work
is.
here and
It's
have
called
services.
Peer support.
You got the law degree here.
If she says something incorrect, I will.
Come on, you think that taking somebody's photo is violating their
It is.
personal privacy?
It is a violation of HIPAA.
Okay, go ahead and say that.
A digital image of an individual.
I know you don't know what you're talking about, but I want to hear what the counselor says. You think that taking a
There's no need for us to
picture,
argue with you here.
Information that identifies or describes an individual, included but not limited to an individual's photograph or digitized image. South Carolina Code of Laws 3230, the Family Privacy Protection Act.
Okay.
That's in the definitions,
Okay.
which I'm sure you're familiar with.
All right.
I just told you that is straight from the law. A digital image of a person
Okay,
is
so-
protected health information.
so you think it's
It's
against the
right
law to take
here.
somebody's picture in public?
In a medical facility, I do.
Okay, maybe back there, but not out here where the
This
public
is where the public waits for
Right.
confidential services in a confidential facility,
Right.
and they have an expectation of privacy.
I'm sorry to take y'all's time up. I was just going to be here for a few minutes, but until these two came out and started.
No, you came for an altercation. We've done this
You
so many
gave me
times.
the altercation.
You're not our first rodeo.
No, we know this isn't our first rodeo. We know you're first.
Well, then how do you not know the law? Why don't you go back to your office? I'll talk to these officers and I'll be on the way out of here.
Nope.
But you're not kicking me
I am
out.
not
You're
leaving
not kicking me
alone.
out.
I am a designee of the
Okay,
state,
well, I'll be here till
designated by
5
the state
o'clock.
Director.
You're not kicking me out until I break a law.
I've already read you all of the laws you've broken. We're being extremely
You're not.
patient with you.
You're not.
These gentlemen are being extremely
Yeah, they're doing their
patient
job.
with you.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and leave on my own accord. But I would just maybe advise you to learn the law because I'm going to come back and I'm going to
I
spend
would
some more time
advise you
here.
to not record when you come back.
Well, I am going to be recording.
No, Trace, just
Yeah.
No, we've been through
All
the
right.
statutes.
Have a good evening.
We're waiting
All
for
right.
you to leave.
Okay.
You'll get your FOIA receipt by the
All
end
right.
of the
I
day
appreciate
or
that.
when I leave this evening.
All right. You're wrong. You're wrong too.
hard-hitting
Sadly.
journalism, sir.
Yeah, I know.
Well
Hey, thank you. It's pretty sad when I have to teach a lawyer the law.
And as soon as I learn something from you, it'll be a good
Okay.
day.
Well, you know, I'm not getting kicked out of here.
But you are leaving.
I'm leaving.
The lesson is clear. The Constitution protects press and filming in public spaces. Cops can't trample the law under policy. Citizens have First Amendment rights to free speech and press. The fate of abusers of power? The law is always waiting. A citizen boldly records, questions, and refuses to answer power-abusing cops, right on the streets he pays for. The very people funded by your taxes trample your constitutional rights? So, who's really breaking the law? What will you see in this video?
Are you with him? I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? All right, then you can move along, please.
Actually, I can be in public.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% positive.
On the sidewalk?
I'm not loitering.
You are.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
At this point, you are, okay?
I'm not loitering.
I'm going to kindly ask you to keep moving.
You can't because this is public. You can't tell me that.
Okay.
I have the right to film. I'm actually acting as press right now, so you can't tell the press to leave. It's my First Amendment right. You want to challenge this in the court because we can do that.
Do you want
us a favor to get out like the immediate area, like 10 feet this way?
Am I impeding in it?
I'm asking you nicely, sir. This immediate area.
Well, I'm going to refuse.
Based on the circumstances.
I refuse.
So at this point, do you have any identification that says you're part of the media?
I don't have to answer any questions.
You don't? All right, so you
According to the First Amendment, it says freedom of press. No, I don't have to show you anything. No. Well, you know that we have freedom of speech in this country, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, end of story.
Absolutely.
End of story.
Absolutely. It doesn't cover that, though, but, okay? At this point, you're obstructing the sidewalk, which people need to be...
Actually, you are too, because you're standing
I'm
there.
actually doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now, because you're not stopping any car. You're talking to me right now.
I'm doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now. No.
Actually, you're part of this car stop. I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. What's your name, Beth? I got you 33,
Yep, 33.
36, 34. What's your name, please?
Like I said, as of right now,
No, I need to know your name. According to the law, you're supposed to provide your name and badge number. Please.
Go study it some more.
No, you can go to the station and you can get our information.
That'd be very easy to do.
There you go.
Okay.
Go to the station. Okay?
Are you part of the stuff?
No, he's not.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so that's fine. You can record all you want.
Thank you.
Keep asking. Keep moving it back, please. I don't know who you are.
I'm not intruding. I'm not interfering. No. Your safety. You're the one that has a gun right now, and you're gonna tell me for my safety or your safety? Don't tell me that right now. Don't tell me that. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Don't tell me it's for safety, because that's a threat, in my opinion. That's definitely a threat. For your safety and my safety? No. I'm not aggressive. I'm not aggressive. I'm the press. I don't have to
You're
leave.
not identifying yourself.
You're asking me.
You're not.
I'm not getting a lawful order, and if you did give me a lawful order, this will go to court. I don't have to give you anything.
All right. So how do I know who you are?
You don't have to know who I am. I'm not interfering.
You're not. Clearly you're not.
No, and you're not in the traffic stop right now. You're talking to me, so don't tell me. No, you're not. No, you're not, though. You're not. No, you're not. No. Good look. Good try. Let me ask you, did you call backup because I'm recording? No.
Hey, I don't answer questions.
Actually, you're a public servant. You're supposed to answer questions. It does work like that.
Better to do. Is that why you're
Do you have nothing better to do? Clearly, this is just a traffic stop.
I'm getting paid to do this, okay?
Is there something really bad going on right now?
none of your business?
So you have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 cop cars, guns. You guys got guns and tasers and all these different things, and you're gonna tell me to leave? No, I'm not over my head. I'm not over my head. No, I'm not. I'm not have to move. You're not going to intrude on me. You're not going to walk through my path.
That's fine. Through your path. This is city property, buddy.
You cannot do that. You cannot. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I would be filing a complaint against you, Rodriguez 33.
Thank you.
Do not put your hand in my face.
Thank you.
Don't put your hand in your face. I can walk this way if I want to. I can walk this way if I want to, and I will. I will walk this way. I will walk backwards and still record you too.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep recording. I have the right to be here as anybody else.
Immediate area, sir.
Is that a lawful order?
It is, sir.
It's a lawful order?
It is.
It's a false lawful order, and I will be seeing you 36 in court.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you swore an oath to the Constitution? Did you to get your office?
Yes.
You're violating your oath of office right now.
Thank you.
No, I don't have to go. I don't have to go anywhere. I can keep walking back and forth.
That's fine.
I'm recording this.
Listen, it's not going to help you at all, alright? Okay?
You're recording too?
No one cares that you're
Are you recording too?
I could be if I want to. I'm free to record as much as you are. So
I asked you if you were.
Doesn't matter. I don't have to answer any of your questions that you said, okay?
Yeah, you don't have to answer anything of my questions, but you're trying to violate my rights right
I'm
now.
not violating your rights. This is city property, pal, okay? When it's your property, it's a different story. Please, okay?
Actually, it is my property.
No, it's not.
I pay for these
No,
streets.
no.
I pay for your salary. I pay for you to be here right now and harass me.
I pay for
Apparently.
I pay for my own salary too, okay?
No. I pay for your salary.
Okay, I'm sure you do.
Yeah, you're a public servant.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It has nothing to do with
I am worried about him because I pay your salary and you're just harassing somebody right now and you're harassing me. So I'm even more concerned. Keep it going. You keep going. Go ahead, keep going. Make it worse.
I'm getting paid for this. I don't know about you. Okay?
I don't have to get paid for this. You know, I'm doing a duty for the citizens of America when you guys do this. Yep, you know it. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. There's 3 of you here and there's 2 there. Now there's 4 here. It's unbelievable.
We get to be wherever we want.
What's your name and badge number, please? No, name and badge number, please.
If you can read it,
Where is
you
it?
have it.
Where is it?
Exactly.
No, actually, you have to tell me according to the law.
Go to the police station.
No, what's your name and badge number? One of you can identify him for me. You think that's bullshit? You think it's okay for you to use that word right now? You're supposed to be professional? I don't have to tell you anything. I don't tell you anything. I'm gonna walk over here.
Where you go? Have a good day.
I'm gonna record the stop like I came here to do. Have a good day, guys. 36, 34, 33, and what's the other guy? What's his name right there? And his number? He won't reveal it.
Go to the station
I don't
like
remember.
he told you to.
I'm not responsible.
You know his name. You know his name.
Go to the station like he told you to, alright?
All right.
And bring that recording, go show it to whoever you want.
Oh, I will.
It's all good.
It's going right online.
Homeboy asked me, I explained it to Joe, I explained to homeboy, I explained to him. I said, Joe, what's your issue? And I explained it to him. I said, Joe, he's pro-rights.
That's right.
As I say in front of you, he's pro-rights.
Yep.
He knows what he
And
can
if that's
do.
a crime,
He knows
then
what he can't do. He knows as long
we
as
lost our
he
country.
doesn't interfere with you guys' duty, he can be here doing whatever he wants. That's why he's there. That's why he didn't go away. You know what I'm saying? That's why all they do when you approach him, say that don't touch me. Because as long as you don't put your hands on him for no without, you know. You guys,
I don't stop anybody else from doing it either.
I said, you guys,
I'm on my own business. I keep moving. That's what I do.
Yeah, but you don't have the right to do that because these are my streets. I don't have to. No, it doesn't. No, you're irrelevant to me. How you like that? Yeah, man. Good luck. Check this out. Check out that car. No. I know what to do. Yeah, because they work for me.
Yeah, I'm sure I do.
Sorry. I'm out of here. You guys can leave. I'm out of here. Oh, that's nice.
Well, it's not nice. It's called work.
Oh, that's great. That's cool. I'm gonna go this way, actually. Excuse
I
me.
can't imagine having this much free time on my hands.
Oh, I work full time. I do. Yeah, but you guys work for us, and apparently you don't do anything really important.
Have a good day, sir.
Protect and serve.
I'll see you
Hard
around.
lesson. The First Amendment protects filming, free press, and silence when not suspected of a crime. Cops can't abuse power to intimidate citizens. And the fate of those who trample the law will crush them, just as they once crushed others. A citizen films at a police station, exercising his freedom of press, only to be threatened, arrested, and have evidence deleted. When the so-called law enforcers trample the law, do you still believe in justice? Watch and ask yourself, who's the real criminal here?
It could be employees or
No, they weren't employees. They were just two people coming out of the police station.
Like,
and they went
I
down
may
that
have
way.
missed them personally, but I saw you as I was...
So wait, you stop anybody that walks through here?
Yeah, everybody that walks back through here who's not authorized to be here gets...
So maybe you should change that sign to maybe authorized personnel only?
I think it's a good idea. I'll bring it up
Yeah,
to the
maybe.
inspector of the station.
You know? Yeah.
I personally, I don't know if you agree, but I think we should have gates all back here.
Well, maybe here.
Yeah,
like
just
for your vehicles and stuff, but like what is back here? Like I see a stop sign there for traffic.
Yeah. So the buildings here are these two police buildings, and that's an EMS building. And just so we protect, obviously, the public services and the employees, and
so it's all public buildings back there.
So it's,
like the EMS is public,
EMS
everything's
property,
public, but everything's off limits to the public. So like I couldn't drive back here and go to EMS.
Not here. This is our operating base. It's not a hospital.
Oh no. Like,
just like the police station.
I just thought it like an EMS, like the headquarters, like the head.
So just for clarification, like if you wanted to use or seek police assistance,
He's just trying to bait.
Why don't we go have this conversation up there where you are?
Where you're allowed what?
Well, if you want to sit and talk to police officers, we do that in front of the station.
No, I don't want to sit down.
Well, if you're not,
I'm trying to remember his guy's name.
Videotaping the audio recording.
What's your name?
My name's John Waters.
Your badge number?
So these documents are very clear.
Yeah, you're on the sign. We were both here on the sign. And all signs tell you what you can and can't do, and this sign here tells you authorized. Yeah, but that, see, I follow signs, see?
No.
No unauthorized vehicles beyond this point. I'm done back there anyway. I can't go back in the back, so. What's that?
You have a vehicle here?
No.
You're good to film from here. Like, I would recommend obviously by the sidewalk just to be safe.
Yeah, I know you guys always recommend by the sidewalk, but this.
Well, I don't want you to get hit, right? You know.
I'm actually gonna go inside and grab a FOI request.
Oh yeah, go for it.
FOI form and stuff. Yeah.
might be an online procedure now.
Heads up there.
Oh,
We got a truck coming in.
Watch mine. It might be all online now. You're free to visit the station attendant and see if they have a form, but I think it's all.
Oh no, they have them. Okay, yeah. Well, you would have to have them here because say someone doesn't have internet. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, and the person at the front, they can help you out too as well.
Yeah.
Just keep in mind they've got the notice of the sign too as well for cameras and stuff like inside the building, obviously, right?
What if it said no cameras?
Yeah. It's just there. You'll see the sign right when you walk by there. Okay.
What's it say?
Just
Right up there. You can see it from here. Right here. It says notice.
You're not allowed back here now, right?
What's that?
Just to be clear, now you have an understanding.
Yes,
you're not allowed,
I had a
you're not
verbal
allowed
warning.
back here?
I had a verbal warning. I understand.
Now here comes. But you're not listening to the explanation. And you're refusing to believe it. Is actually that's what if you want to
Go ahead. Tell me.
If you want to refuse to believe it, that's fine. That's on you. You're still getting a ticket.
Okay. I'll accept the trespass. I will, and we'll take it to court. We'll go through that. There's no talking to you guys, so I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
So
I'm not here to cause trouble. No ill will. No nothing. I exercise my rights. If you see my channel, you'll see, and you'll see that I got other stations up on litigation too. And this one's an easy one. Yeah.
sorry, guys.
Where are we going?
Just to the CR.
Where are my cameras?
May or may not be seized as evidence to an offense. Your phone. So we'll determine all of that shortly. Okay.
Want me in the car?
Yes, please. 4 or 3. Come on up, please. Thank you. So before I release you from my custody, I'm going to explain to you your form of release. This is a summons to defendant, also known as a Part 3. This is essentially a court date for the 1st of November where you're going to answer to the charges of engaging in prohibited activity on premises. After I instructed you, the sign
I thought you told me you charged me with trespassing.
That's under the trespasser property.
Okay,
Act, sir.
perfect.
All right. I thought you said you were aware of the law.
Yeah, I am. I am.
You should go do some
And
brushing
what's
up on
prohibited?
that.
What are the prohibited things?
Anything that the property holder, being the Durham Regional Police, deems to be a prohibited act.
Oh, anything you deem, eh?
Such as the
anything
signs
you
there.
Deem. Anything you deem.
Anything.
Yeah, that sign right there. It's got back in. No
All right.
guns, no nothing.
Okay. When you feel this cuff loosen up, put your hand behind your back, please. Okay?
Yep.
That's for your safety and mine. Thank you, sir. Likewise.
Trust me,
with this
I ain't hear that. I've never hear the hurt cough anyway. So.
And we appreciate that.
Or
This is
do
your
any harm.
release here, okay? My badge number is on the bottom left-hand side of there.
So this is under trespass act, eh?
This is under the trespass
Oh, did you
act.
give me a warning in there to get out?
Do you not remember the conversation we had here? And this is not for kicking
Oh
you
yeah,
out.
you're right. It doesn't matter.
Right?
It doesn't matter.
All right.
Right. You're keeping my stuff.
Yeah, your phone is going to be seized as
Come on, that's his work phone.
that's being seized
It
as
doesn't matter. That's my work phone. Then it's just more money in litigation.
Like I mentioned to you, that's evidence to the offense now.
So what offense? You got cameras in there.
Yeah, that's evidence to the offense that you committed.
You have cameras in there seeing me with my camera. So why would
Yeah.
you need my phone?
Because we asked you
We
not
take all evidence, sir.
to
What?
You'll
videotape
get your
that.
phone back after court date.
Yeah, I know I will. But what's the sense though? Like you have footage right here. Oh, you do, eh?
No,
Like,
it's
it's just-
already
okay.
All right.
My other
Sign
camera.
anywhere saying it's prohibited to film inside?
There is.
Yeah, there's
Multiple.
signs on the.
He actually filmed one of those signs.
Yeah, on the door there. Yeah.
Yeah. You remember filming that sign,
Yes,
right?
I did
Perfect.
record it.
Thank you very
But it
much.
has no backing to it.
All right, I am the backing to it. I told you that inside as well.
No, you'll see.
All right, now I'm asking you.
I promise you.
Let it be told. Now I am asking you to leave my police station. To leave my police station. To leave my police station. Failure to do so will result in you getting arrested again.
I'm leaving right now.
Thank you very much. Unless you need police for an emergency or for any other police matter, you're free to go.
Yeah, so I can go in and get a FOIA request.
It's available online.
Yeah, but I don't have online.
Okay, well we don't have papers in there for you right
You
now.
don't, oh, you don't?
No.
Yeah, what's that from? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Did she get a card? Sorry, I am leaving. But I didn't just need the card from both kids.
My badge number's on there.
But his.
Yeah, my last name is Lane. Badge
Lane?
3885.
885?
Yep.
Lane 8885. Lane. Right?
Freedom of the press and filming in public are constitutionally protected. Cops can't arrest or delete citizens' evidence. When those who enforce the law disregard it, the price they pay is their own career, because the law forgets no one. A citizen speaks out, demanding justice and exposing abusive cops right on the street. When those wearing the badge trample your free speech, who's truly dangerous? Watch closely and ask yourself, when will we finally make them fear the law?
Freedom of speech. 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 Freedom of speech.
You need to speak to him, right?
No, they need to speak with him. I'm talking to the mom. I'm talking to the mom. I'm talking to the mom. I know my rights. I know my rights. Right now what you're doing is wrong. What you're doing, just because you're a police officer? No.
I'm not a police officer.
What are you? A sheriff? Whatever you are. You should know the rights. And you should know that what I'm doing right now is everything's okay. You should know that.
Okay.
You should know that. You study the law, sir. You study the law.
You know you need to be courteous.
Courteous? With who? I'm not. Am I talking to her or the son? I'm talking to the lady. I'm letting her know. Tell your son to be cautious on the road.
Okay. She already heard it.
Am I speaking with you or with her?
I'm letting you know.
No, you're interrupting. I can't. No, if I want to stay here all day, I could.
Okay, we'll stay here then.
And okay, well,
but
you're
be nice to them.
dismissed.
Be
You're
nice to them.
dismissed.
Be nice to
Be
them.
nice to them?
Yes.
My husband just got hurt. I'm letting her know how I feel right now. And I could do that. I could do that.
Yeah, I totally understand.
Okay, then what are you talking about, sir?
But she's talking to them. Okay,
Okay, well, now they're talking. I'll be here. Okay.
Become something else.
It's not. It's not. You really think I have the energy to get in a physical fight with somebody?
Let's not argue.
This is not arguing, sir. Freedom of speech. Do you know what freedom of speech is? I've been waiting for this moment. Do you know?
Okay. Go ahead and tell me.
Do you know?
Go ahead and tell me what.
I don't have to educate you when you know your
You
laws.
want to come over here?
I don't want to come over here. I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Over here. You want to talk to them?
Hopefully next time it's not your son that goes through this. I'm just letting you guys know how I feel that my husband could have been killed. I'm not trying to argue. I'm just very upset. Because it could. What if it was him? You would have been mad at me. I'm just saying. Be cautious next time, please. And this officer over here, sir, what's your badge number? Do you have a badge number? F Lopez. So everybody can know their faces out here in Salton City. You guys are very corrupted. You guys follow people just to see what they could poke at. I was stopped by one of you guys not long ago. Just so corrupted out here. So much corruption. I can't have freedom of speech now, guys. I can't have freedom of speech.
Can we have 5 give me 1021?
Can I have my ID?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm still trying to confirm information.
You don't have to. What crime did I commit? I'm not letting you run my license.
You can take your ID.
Okay.
We're taking it, putting back everything in the car because you're not the registrar.
That's not right, sir.
I'm sorry.
That's not right. That's my car.
Put them back up.
This is the corruption, guys. Salton City corruption. Corruption right here. This is the corruption, guys. Salton City corruption. Corruption right here. Just because I didn't let him run my license. Just because I didn't let him run my information, guys. This is what Salton City Police does. Right here.
She's not the registered owner, so she can't take anything out of the vehicle.
That's my car. That's my belongings right there. You see my information, my wallet, everything. Can I have your information?
Cardenas is the last name.
Cardenas? Do you have a badge number?
17055.
Thank you. Corruption. You guys are seeing everything right now live, guys. Corruption. This is what you call corruption. When nobody knows their rights, when people don't know their rights, they fuck you over. Fuck you over. He wanted to run my information without my consent. I'm gonna just film everything, guys, because I honestly don't feel safe with this corruption police officers. So my brother couldn't have done the same thing and parked right here? So you're just making me wait, but they could leave whenever they want and everything, but you made me wait all this time just for them to leave before me. Wow. Wow, guys, you see that? Wow, heartless. I'm telling you. They see someone that knows their rights and they feel some way. You know your rights and they feel some way, guys. They feel some way just because you know the law. They get mad because you know the law. They get mad because you know the law. It's crazy. Study the law, guys, because ain't no one out here to protect you, let me tell you. Ain't no one out here to protect you. Nobody. No one. So we're just gonna wait here until whenever they want. Just gonna wait here.
Drive you to the,
Yeah, because I don't want you to cite me because I'm jaywalking. Are you gonna put me in the back or in the front with you? Okay, yeah, because I don't want to feel like... You know what they did one time? They detained me for more than 15 minutes. You know that law, right? They can't do that. And they left me in the back with my children for 30 minutes. Like if I committed a crime. So I'm gonna hop in through here?
I have all my gear up in the front.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I can drive you over there.
Yeah.
You have to go in the back.
Oh, no, I don't trust you guys. I don't trust you guys.
Okay, then this is what I'm gonna do. Alright? When there's no traffic, which is right after that white car,
yeah,
we can cross the roadway.
Okay, please.
You with me.
Can we go now?
Let's go this way. So give me a second, stand here.
Okay.
I'll let you know when we're gonna come.
Okay, thank you, officer. Thank you.
The lesson is clear. The First Amendment protects free speech, filming, and speaking against injustice. Police cannot arbitrarily detain or intimidate citizens. And for those who dare trample the law, justice will come, swiftly and far more painfully than they expect. What do you think about these officers? Leave your thoughts in the comments below so we can discuss and learn together. Thank you for watching.